So hello guys, welcome to my channel Boya TV once again, and today I will be doing unboxing of my product which I ordered through noon.com. It is microphone and power bank. So let's check this out together. So this is the noon, which is written in Arabic, and this is in English. So let's check this out. It is very tough, nice packing. Now you can see. So now you can see this is the power bank, and so let's check what's inside. So guys, when you open this one, you have this welcome guide where it will show all the installment instructions in this book, so you need to read before doing anything. It has a very nice bag, which is a very comfy one, and then you can put your, I think you can put your charger bank here, and plus wire all kit in this bag. Now let's check the inside. This is a very nice and sleek option where it has a two USB cord and then plus one chargeable input. The Anker company made a very nice sleek option, which is very handy. You can keep in your bag, in your pocket as well, and then the itself is like the power cord is like 200,000, and the model will be A1217, which is very fast charging the charger, which is very good again. And you can see the wire is packed like this here, which is very nice packing here, which will avoid any kind of damages while shipping from one place to here. So the wire is not quite big, but it's good enough to survive while charging the phone, but you need to sit nearby. So again, I like this option, and which is very good. You can see you can pack it here. I will show you then how it looks. Wow, it's a very nice packaging. You can pack it here. You don't need to spend extra money to find a bag or pack in any plastic bag, which is very good option given by Anker company. I like it. So guys, it's a very perfect for a traveler or for a people who are vlogging, more into vlogging. It's a very fast charging kit. So now we are opening what's more inside this bag, which is again my microphone, which is I ordered from Boya, which is one of the best option for vlogging. So let's open this one. It's a Boya company dual omni-directional leveler mic. It's compatible with your phone, tab, and then your camera, and then plus GoPro. Okay, the instruction here, cable length is 4 meter, net weight 68 gram, and connector 3.5 mm, and then power requirement LR44 included. Sensitivity will be -30 dB and ±3 dB, and then signal noise 78 dB. Frequency range 65 Hz to 18 kHz. Polar pattern omnidirectional, and then transducer will be electrical condenser. So when you open this one, you can see that it is already packed in one leather bag, which is very handy again, which is the good option given by Boya itself. You can see the wire looks very nice, and it's really 1 meter. It looks like this, and it has you can see it has two mics, and let's see what's more inside. So it has a one which you can connect with any connector. It has a clip, 2 clips and 2 grips which we can fit here. So guys, if you see, the hooks has a 2 sizes. You can see the difference itself here, one big, one small. So make sure you put the correct one in the correct one to avoid any breakages, because company will not take any warranty for this. So if you can see, there is a thin and thin here, it will fit here for sure. Yes, it's okay to go. So it's a thick size here again. Yes, it's okay to go. So after clipping, it looks like this. You can clip it here or like this. So it will be looking like this. So I like this option. It has a battery as well, already inbuilt in this box, which you can see here. So this is the battery. This is the battery, which you can inbuilt according to the minus plus sign to avoid any damages. Wow. So this one can fit here for the big cord. And then if you want to use with iPhone, it will go like this. And then let me see how it looks. So guys, you can see the mic is on my shirt. The distance between your mouth and mic should be 20 to 25 centimeter or 8 to 10 inches. So guys, I hope you love this whole unboxing of my microphone and power bank. So please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.